Hello, my name is Paul and
My name is Kim. We are from Smiling Worm. And today we've got a product to introduce to you. This is what we call our Formula 4 potting mix. Okay? And we're going to show you what's made up this thing.
okay. So Formula 4 very simply is 4 formulas. It's 4 formulas contained in one. Why? Well, one of the biggest problems with people who are growing plants in pots or in containers is that the soil compacts after a while, and when the soil compacts it means there's no air in the soil and the roots really get badly affected. And if the roots are not growing well, then the top of the plant, also the leaves and flowers, the fruit, whatever, is also going to be poor quality. So we have developed Formula 4, which is 4 organic components which together give you a much better potting mix. Number 1.
What is this then?
This is cocoa peat. Cocoa peat has moisture retentive qualities and also natural rooting hormones. It's very beautifully made. We go to a lot of trouble to make sure that it's really fine, nice, light grain. Sorry, a little bit on Kim as well, and it has a very nice natural smell.
Trying to throw me.
Yes, okay. Now, what we do then, here we have cocoa husk fines. This is very fine, almost like dust. We mix that with the cocoa peat and it separates the grains of the cocoa peat to help the cocoa peat not to be compacted like when it rains or when it's been lasted in the container or planter for some time. Then we add cocoa husk chips. The cocoa husk chips are like little sponges and they contain air or moisture or nutrients, and so really they help to keep the growing media fresh and the roots growing well. But finally, drainage. Overwatering is a big problem, especially if your planters are outdoors and it rains a lot. So we put cocoa husk shell charcoal inside, and the cocoa husk shell charcoal, which you can see here,
It's flat.
is non-absorbent, so the moisture that you put in will not be absorbed by this charcoal. So it runs off, and it runs off through the material and harmlessly away at the end. And because charcoal is a little bit dusty, we wash it before we put it into the growing media. Makes a very nice mix. Here we have a bougainvillea. This little plant's been growing in here for about a year. It's been growing in this mix. It's very happy. As you can see, it's growing very well. And here you can see the mix itself in bulk. The bag you saw at the bottom, at the beginning, which Kim was holding, was 2 quarts. And here we have about 7 quarts of beautiful, fresh, growing media. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. My name is Paul.
And Kim.
Sawadee ka.
Silica.